In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit your Wix website. If you are new to Wix, the editing process can feel a little confusing at first. The good news is that once you understand how to select elements and make changes, the rest becomes very straightforward. Today, we will focus on the basic steps for making edits, including editing text and changing a background photo. To begin, log into your Wix design. After you log in, you should see your website dashboard or your site editor area. Take a moment to make sure you are editing the correct website. This matters because you want your changes to apply to the site that visitors will see. Next, click any element you want to change. In the Wix editor, your page is made up of many parts, such as text boxes, images, buttons, and backgrounds. So when you click something on the page, you are essentially selecting that specific part so you can edit it. Look closely at the element you plan to update. When it is selected, it should show editing options or a highlight indicating that you have chosen the right area. Now, once the element is selected, click the Edit Text option. This is the point where you will be able to modify the wording or formatting of the text element. If you are trying to update content, such as a headline or a paragraph, selecting the text first is the key step. You can then focus on what you want to say and how you want it to look. From there, click the Edit Background Photo option. This step is specifically for updating the background image for the selected area. Background photos are a common design choice because they set the overall look and feel of a section of your website. When you open the background photo editing controls, you should be able to choose a new image or adjust the existing one. Make sure you are editing the correct background, especially if your page has multiple sections that each have their own background. As you select or adjust the background photo, take a moment to review how the image looks with the text or other elements on top. It is important to check things like visibility and overall alignment. If your text is meant to stand out, the background should not make it hard to read. If something does not look right, you can go back and make adjustments before moving on. After you are satisfied with the changes, click Save to store changes. This ensures your updates are applied within the editor. Saving is an important step because it keeps your work from being lost if you refresh the page or continue editing later. After you click Save, you might see a confirmation that the changes were successfully recorded. Finally, click Publish to make them live. Publishing is what takes your edits from the editor preview and makes them visible to real visitors on the live version of your website. This step is essential since nothing is fully effective to your audience until you publish. Once the site is published, give it a brief moment to load and then check what you updated. Confirm that the element you edited, the text changes, and the new background photo all appear the way you intended. This last check helps you catch any unexpected formatting differences right away. And that covers everything you need to know. By logging into Wix Design, selecting the element you want to change, editing the text when needed, updating the background photo, saving your work, and then publishing, you can confidently update your website anytime. And that is all there is to it.